Hey guys, I'm Steven with PDR of Georgia. Today we're going to be taking some dents out of the roof of this 1965 Mustang Fastback. We're going to be repairing about a 9-inch crease over the passenger seat. This was caused while the vehicle was on a lift. It was being raised up and it actually hit the rafter beams in the ceiling, putting this crease in there. Now this is original metal, so it's going to be a lot thicker than what we're used to today, but we're going to put some heat on it to keep the paint nice and pliable while we shape it out from the inside and begin the process of removing this crease. With the high-speed camera rolling, you can really see how the metal reacts as we start to slowly shape it back out from the right to the left using gentle pressure and working the metal back to its pre-damaged condition. In addition to bringing up the low spots, we also have to be sure to tap down all of the high spots with the use of a blending hammer. With the repair completed, we're going to take a slow pan underneath our lights so that you can really get a good look at the finished result. As you can tell, there's no evidence there was ever any crease in this roof. We're going to look at it out in the natural light as well. This was a pretty challenging repair since the metal was so much thicker than today's metal, but it turned out really well and I know the customer's going to be thrilled. Anyway guys, I appreciate you taking the time to check out this video. If you'd like to get in touch with us, you can give us a call at 678-544-3004, or you can send us an email to propdrofga@gmail.com. You can also find us at our website, dentrepairgeorgia.com. You can go online there and fill out an online form to submit a request for an estimate, and we can get in touch with you that way as well. Alright guys, like I said, I appreciate it, and we'll catch you on the next one.